Hello class, my name is Cindy Garcia and this is my week 2 presentation on ethics theories for the 580 Legal and Ethical Issues course. In this week's presentation, I'll be talking about the 4 ethics theories. Then I will use 2 theories and apply them to an example in public administration. And lastly, I'll discuss whether the virtue theory applies to public administrators. So I'll begin by discussing the 4 ethics theories: natural law, categorical imperatives, utilitarianism, and contractarianism. So Thomas Aquinas came up with the natural law theory. This theory is on human nature and laws. It's based off of using rationality and reasoning. And then we have categorical imperatives, which was founded by Immanuel Kant. Categorical imperatives is it's based off of the outcome of things and not on morality. Kant also talked about the term maxim, which is another form of saying what we want to do and why we want to do it. And then Jeremy Bentham and John Mill, they were the founders of utilitarianism. Utilitarianism is a moral theory that focuses on the actions and consequences instead of the intentions. And good consequences is equivalent to good actions. It also means that we should act in a way that will benefit everyone and not just ourselves. And then we have Thomas Hobbes, who came up with the theory of contractarianism. This refers to a type of moral that provides an idea of like a contract. The contract is the agreement to give up a certain thing to gain one's own self-interest. And in contractarianism, a person is self-interested. In public administration, administrators' responsibilities are to provide service above self and to exercise fairness to all. This is similar to the categorical imperative theory, where it allows you to act as you would want others to act towards you and everyone else. Another theory that is applied in public administration would be utilitarianism. In an organization, administrators provide services to the public and their focus is the public's interest. One must put their personal feelings aside, and utilitarianism explains that one must put aside their own desires and do what will benefit our society as a whole. So then we were asked if the virtue theory applies to public administrators. So to be virtuous means that you are honest, respectful, kind, and courageous. I would like to say yes, the virtue theory does apply to public administrators because being virtuous means doing what's morally right. However, I also think that this falls under like that gray area because there are people from different backgrounds and cultures that have their own set of opinions of what being virtuous consists of. And those virtuous characteristics might not be able to be applied in public administration. This concludes this week's presentation on the ethics theories. I hope you enjoyed it and I look forward to learning from your presentations as well.